In this video, I'll show you how to transfer TON from Binance to Tonkeeper wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you got to do is open up and log into your Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you $100 in free trading rebates. After you've logged into your account, we're going to go right over here to the bottom right hand corner and tap on your assets or wallet icon. And from here, this is going to bring up an overview of all of the assets or funds you have in your account. If you don't see TON in the list, you can go right over here to the magnifying glass icon, tap on it, and look for TON in the search bar like this. Tap on TON. And once you're on this page, you're going to see a button down here that says withdraw. Tap on it. We're going to send via the crypto network. Next, we got to fill out this page. The first thing we need is an address. For that, we're going to log into our Tonkeeper wallet. And once you're in your wallet, you're going to see something that looks like this. And we're going to look for the receive button and tap on that. And this is your deposit address for TON on the Tonkeeper wallet. We're going to go right over here and tap on copy. Go back to Binance, and right here where it says address, we're going to paste in the address we just copied from Tonkeeper right there. Make sure the network is the open network or the TON network. And right here where it says memo, we don't actually have to put anything in there because we're sending it to Tonkeeper. When withdrawing TON from Binance to Tonkeeper, you do not need to enter a memo. The memo field is usually for exchanges that share deposit addresses, but Tonkeeper provides a unique address for each user. So we're just going to leave it blank. If Binance does not allow you to leave it blank, you can simply just enter in a 0 and leave it like that. And right here where it says withdraw amount, we're going to enter in the amount of TON that we want to send over to our Tonkeeper wallet. I'm just going to tap on max. Tap on withdraw at the bottom right hand corner, confirm the transaction, and that's how to send Toncoin from Binance to your Tonkeeper wallet. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.